What's up guys, this video is on how to fix clunking, grinding, and squeaking noises on Bowflex Max trainers. For the clunking noise, remove the arm and plastic cover by using Allen and Phillips bits respectively. Then tighten the 9/16 nut here. For the grinding noise, you need to remove the lower right shroud by removing the Phillips bits at the 12, 3, and 9 o'clock positions. For the 6 o'clock screw, just loosen it a bit, but don't remove it as the shroud hooks onto it. Then set the resistance to high and carefully work the machine until the metal disc contacts the magnets. Press on the disc to warp it so that it doesn't contact the magnets any longer. As a bonus tip, if you have a squeaking noise, then lubricate the bar that contacts the rollers with some silicone lubricant spray. Happy stepping everyone!